Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a bead unboxing from Auntie's Beads, located in Keller, Texas. I have been ordering from this company for probably a couple years now, and I've never been disappointed. They have beautiful findings and beads, and everything is really well priced, and it's very good quality. So let me push all these aside. I have a great, huge haul here. Okay, so let's start with, and some of them I did buy a couple of them. So let's start with, these are the antique copper hammered uneven circle findings, 44 millimeters. So, and I ordered two. So you get a package of two. So this is them, really nice, very sturdy. Very, just love these. I use these for earrings. So I have two of them here. And then, let me see here. Oh, I actually ordered three of them. So here's the third one. And then I ordered them also in brass, antique brass hammered ones. So here's them. They have the hole up at the top. They're very strong, very sturdy. Hammered, they're just beautiful. And you can, even the way the hole is, you can dangle something on the inside there, like put the ear wire up there. There's a lot of possibilities. Or you can even dangle something from the bottom and make them even longer. So that's that. Then I have got antique silver pewter 7 millimeter flower bead caps. I have, oh, I got three of them. Okay. And there's 150 of them. Very pretty. Very nice. They're very sturdy. And I don't have a problem with tarnishing with any of their stuff. It's just great quality. So here's three of those. Then, let me see here. Then I got antique brass oval jewelry links, 14 by 22 millimeter. I got a 10 pack. They're great. They're very strong, sturdy. I use these sometimes. I'll attach them, you know, use them as links for necklaces or earrings, and hang some chain on them, some brass chain, and go with that. Okay. And here's the hammered copper large leaf pendant, 20 by 85 millimeter. This is beautiful. I ordered three of them. Oh, this is absolutely gorgeous. The quality is just great with all of their products. Well, then, here's some, I think this was it. Oh, and here's another package of the brass oval links. Okay, so here is antique brass 8 millimeter twisted rings, package of 50. So I got 1, 2, got 3 sets of these. These are great. I use these a lot as connectors. Really pretty. I'm gonna have some fun with all this stuff. So I have 150 pieces of those. Then I got the drop antique brass patina flower 19 by 22 millimeter, a package of 2. Very pretty. Very well made. And I have 1, 2. Okay. And I love these. I like to use these when I have my memory wire bracelets. Sometimes I'll use these as charms on the ends, and I'll just kind of dangle them off. Or I'll just get a jump ring, antique brass jump ring, and I'll just dangle it from the bracelet. But they're just kind of cool. So drop antique brass triangles, 12 by 14 millimeters. So it's kind of like hammered on one side and the other side is flat. Very well made. Hole at the top. Okay, so next we have antique silver ring links, 14 millimeter. I got 2 bags, 25 in each bag. These are really pretty. I've never ordered these before, but I love the way they looked online. Very, very good quality. See on both sides. I got 2 packages of these. Total of 50. Then I got antique brass filigree diamond connector, 22 by 28 millimeter. It's a package of 6. I just realized I didn't get any beads in here. Yeah, I called it a bead unboxing. So here is this, and they're the same on both sides. They're beautiful connectors. They have some really great things to choose from on their website. So I got that. Then I have these antique copper finding hammered bar, 3.5 times 26 millimeter. There's 10 in each. These are just really cool. You could take like 2 or 3 of them, hang them off of a air wire and just make like some dangly earrings with them. So see, one side is the hammered silver and the other side is flat. So I got 20 of them here. Next, these are so pretty. Antique brass patina blessed pendant, 7 by 40 millimeters. And I got 2 packages of 2. So this is them, and this is at the other side. Very pretty. I love it. Quality is so good too. I mean, everything's even. There's no chips or anything like that. And then here I got it in silver. This is a little bit shinier. It says blessed. Silver pewter. Very pretty. And next, I got a few different kinds of butterflies. This is an antique copper open butterfly pendant connector, 28 by 38 millimeters. And there's a package of 2. Very well made. not flimsy at all. These are beautiful. One side, the other side. You could, you could like put a jump ring there, jump ring there. You could hang it and just make a necklace like this. Or you could like do something there. You could hang something from the bottom. Or you could just hang one, have it hanging off like that. And the other butterfly is an antique brass fanciful open butterfly, 27 millimeters. It's a package of 2. These are a little thinner, but they're still very well made. It's got the hole there. You could make a butterfly necklace. You could make some earrings out of this. They have a little bit of a concave to them. Very beautiful. So there's that. Then I had two packs of these. Antique copper open ring with top loop, 34 millimeter. So I got 2 of these. Very pretty. And you could, like, if you put an ear wire through there, you could still dangle something from there too. So, this is antique brass with patina hammered drop pendant, 22 by 47 millimeter. These are pretty. I mean, these would make a great pair of earrings, or this could just be a pendant. And that's the back of it. So it's a little more like that in the back, but just really pretty and very well made. Then next is a package of 4 antique brass round link, 24 millimeter. So I got these, so pretty. Okay, we've got 4 things left. So these are the copper plated crimp tubes, 2 millimeter. I didn't have any, I was totally out. Then here is antique brass skinny feather pennon, 5 by 52 millimeter, a package of 5. So see, one side is lines like this, and the other side is that. Very pretty. Okay, then I have these. I had these in the antique brass. I got them the drop hammered silver triangles, 12 by 14 millimeter. These are really pretty, very sparkly. One side's flat, one side's hammered. And last but not least, I have the antique brass charms daggers, 5 by 17 millimeter. These are awesome. I use these a lot too, just dangling on the ends of my bracelets. Very well made. They're not hollow. There's a little bit of weight to them, not too much weight, of course, but. So, this is everything from Auntie's Beads. And this is the, I don't know if you can see that, auntiesbeads.com, AUNTIESBEADS.com. I'll leave the link below with the website so you can order if you want. So this whole order with shipping was $3.95. This whole order for everything came to $33.19. That is absolutely unreal. You can't beat all of this stuff here. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for tuning into my channel, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe so you get every video as it comes up. You'll be the first one to get it then. And please share my videos if you think somebody might like them, someone that's into beads and jewelry. And also you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The links are below. Just click on them to take you there. I also have an Etsy store below if you would like that. Follow me there and just click on that. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.